Akaso EK7000 Ultra HD 4K action camera. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. The Akaso EK7000 is a budget action camera. You can pick this up online for $70. I have the link in the description below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the manual, a battery charger, and 2 batteries. I've installed the other battery already. A remote, USB charging cable, and 15 mounting accessories from adhesives to straps and a cleaning rag. I won't go into detail for each accessory. The camera comes with a waterproof case that can be used up to 98 feet. Some features are 170-degree wide-angle lens, a 2-inch display, 4K at 25 frames per second, 2.7K at 30 frames per second, and 1080p at 60 frames per second, and wireless connection. This uses a micro SD card. This also has input and output for micro USB and HDMI. The camera is fairly small and similar in size to a GoPro. It has a rubber feel all around. The front, you have the power and mode buttons. The side has buttons controls for the menu. And the display is a 2-inch LCD. On the top, you have the stop-start for videos and photos. And on the other side, you have the micro USB HDMI input-output and the slot for the micro SD card with a max of 64 gigabytes. On the bottom, you have access to the battery compartment. You get 2 1050 mAh rechargeable batteries, which can last up to 90 minutes depending on video settings. It comes in at less than 2.5 inches in length, less than 2 inches in width, and a thickness of about 1 inch. Scrolling through the menu is fairly simple. Using the mode button, you can toggle from video, camera, burst shot, time-lapse. Settings options will bring up numerous options, which I won't go into detail. But here you will find video resolution, looping, timestamp, exposure, and various photo settings. Now I will demonstrate the camera at 1080p 60 frames per second. I will not do the 4K 25 frames per second since I do not have 4K resolution. I have the action camera on a gimbal, so you are seeing it very steady. This camera does not have image stabilization. The Akaso EK7000. This is a fairly good action camera for the price point. The $70 price is very attractive. You get a lot of accessories, waterproof capabilities, and the 4K option. If you don't want to spend the extra money on the higher priced action cameras, this can be a good choice, especially for those just starting out with the action cameras or on a budget. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.